Hello. Today, I'm going to show you some problems with the TV. Right here. It's not that it's black and white. That's fine with me. It was made in March 1990. There's been water coming out of here. And I called it coming from here to there, and I wiped it off. So I think when it was rated at our camper, it's been coming through there. Which, not good, not good, not good at all. And it also comes with car/boat adapter, so I can watch TV in the truck like the 90s. Yep, like the 90s. I'm gonna rock it old school with this television. I think that's what my dad wanted it. Okay. Selector, volume. Can you hook up a CD player? Because it says VH tape. VH tape player. I don't think it's a CD player, but a VH tape. Which I don't think you can. So, nope. That's not possible, I don't think. So, comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.